Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location of Qatar. The capital of Qatar is Doha, and this is a settlement of Bedouin nomads. So Bedouin nomads belong to Central Asia. So these nomads have gone to Qatar, to that region, and have settled there. And this has got a dynasty in the past, that is Thani dynasty. So Thani dynasty ruled Qatar in the past, and that was during the time of Ottoman Empire. Later British took the control of Qatar and it got its independence finally in the year 1971. Basically, Qatar is a peninsula. It is bounded by water on three sides and it has one bordering country that is having a land border with it. And Qatar is on the western side or west coast of Persian Gulf. So we know Persian Gulf is a very important place where we get all natural gas and oil reserves through shipment. So this is a very important country with the view that it is on the western coast of Persian Gulf. We'll be seeing that while locating it. Qatar is the richest country in the whole planet with regard to per capita income. Based on per capita income, Qatar is considered as the richest country in the whole world. Mostly Qatar is with the urban dwellers, and only the rural dwellers occupy less than 1% of population. So majorly this is an urban dwellers place. And Qataris, the original citizens of Qatar, are constituting just to 1/9 of the population. So total, apart among the total population, they just constitute very little, and mostly the whole population is of majorly foreign workers. So these foreign workers, amongst these foreign workers, the major occupant workers are from India. So Indians occupy the largest expatriate citizens of Qatar, amounting to more than Qataris. And Qatar is the third largest source of natural gas reserves and oil reserves in the world. So in this area, this is very rich and important. Qatar is a very rare country that has got no forests at all. Only few countries have no forests in the world, like around 4 countries. Amongst these 4 countries, Qatar is also there. Qatar is going to chair the FIFA World Cup 2022, which is to be held in 2022. So this is also important with regard to Qatar. There are 4 countries that are bordering Qatar, one direct land boundary with Saudi Arabia, and the 3 countries are having maritime boundary. So Bahrain is having a maritime boundary, United Arab Emirates is having maritime boundary, and Iran is also having maritime boundary. And the only, as I told you, it's a peninsula, it has 3 sides water, so these are maritime boundary countries. So on one side it has land, so that is the bordering country of that side is Saudi Arabia. Now we'll see the location of Qatar. For knowing the location of Qatar, we'll try to draw the Persian Gulf first. So this is Persian Gulf. So this is basically, if you can consider this as Persian Gulf. So this is basically the extension of Arabian Sea. So Arabian Sea is present here. So Arabian Sea's extension is Persian Gulf. So this Persian Gulf on its west coast. So Persian Gulf will somewhat look like this. So Persian Gulf, on its west coast, there is Qatar. So Qatar is present over here on the west coast of Persian Gulf. So Qatar is having 3 sides water on this side and this side and this side, and it has got land boundary on this side, and this land boundary is shared with Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is a very huge country that is also on the western side of Persian Gulf. So this is Saudi Arabia. So Qatar is having land boundary with Saudi Arabia. This is Qatar. And it has got maritime boundaries with Bahrain. So Bahrain is present, is a island nation. So here it is. This is Bahrain. So even Bahrain is present in Persian Gulf. And it has got United Arab Emirates, a maritime border with United Arab Emirates, and UAE is present here. This is United Arab Emirates. So Qatar is having water boundary or maritime boundary with UAE. And here it also has got maritime boundary with Iran. So Iran is a huge country again on the eastern side of Persian Gulf. So this is Iran. So with Iran also it is having maritime boundary. So Qatar is having maritime boundary with Iran, with Bahrain, and with United Arab Emirates. and it has got direct land border or land boundary with Saudi Arabia. So this is the exact location of Qatar, and Tropic of Cancer passes through or passes below Qatar through Saudi Arabia. So this passes below Qatar. So this is located above Tropic of Cancer. So this is the basic location of Qatar, and this is Arabian Sea. So extension of Arabian Sea into this side is what is called as Persian Gulf, and that is a very important area for the transportation of oil and natural gas for the whole world, and even the oil prices of the whole world depends on this transportation of oil through Persian Gulf and these main countries. So this is the basic thing about Qatar, and thank you.